Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a microphone boom arm on your desk, and it's simple as pie. Let's get to it. Your boom arm is going to come with a little clamp. It's going to look a lot like one of these. It may not be exactly the same, but it's going to look very similar. Now we're going to go ahead and install the clamp. So we just kind of put it on the edge of the desk like so. Screw the little screw on the bottom and bam. Next, locate the boom arm, and you're going to notice one end has a thing to screw your microphone on, the other end has a little nub that sticks out there. So all you do is take that little nub and insert it on the hole on the desk clamp. For some crazy reason, most of the time the threads on the boom arm are too small to fit in your microphone, so find that little adapter, it looks just like what you saw there, and simply screw that onto the end. If they do fit, then you don't need to worry about the adapter. Next, you're going to grab your microphone, you're going to find the end with the hole on it there, and we're going to screw that right onto the boom arm. So here we go. This sometimes takes a second. You got to line up the threads. Be very careful because you don't want to strip anything out. You don't want to cross thread that on there sideways or something like that, but simply screw the microphone on the end of your arm like you see there, and bam. Now we're good to go. That's it. That's the whole shebang. There's the thingy dingy. Now your microphone's installed. I mean, that's really all there is to it. You just clamp the clamp on the desk, you insert the boom arm into the hole, you screw the microphone on, and now you're good to go. Now you just have to plug the microphone into the computer. If it's a USB microphone, you just simply plug the USB cable into the back of the microphone and plug the other end into the PC, and you're done. Now, if you're trying to figure out how to plug a XLR microphone in and you have no idea what you're doing, a video is going to pop up in just a second. You can click on that and it's going to show you just how simple and easy it is to hook up an XLR microphone. It's just about as easy as installing this boom arm. It takes a couple of seconds to get it set up, and bam, you are good to go, and you got full XLR quality. So clicky. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the pinned comment and the video's description for some information and ways to help the channel. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. Lightning out. Have a great day, and we will catch you next time.